Tonight, we celebrate a champion's legacy in the new era of digital innovation, where excellence moves beyond the ring and into a new arena. Welcome to Digiplus and Pacquiao, championing a new era of digital entertainment. Tonight is all about the celebration of Filipino pride and innovation. Digiplus, the pioneer digital entertainment in the Philippines, continuously redefining how Filipinos experience play and innovation in the digital space.
Behind every successful partnership is a team that works hard, believes in the vision, and puts their heart into what they do. I see that passion in all of you, and I am grateful to now be part of that journey.
Pusong Pilipino ang hinahatid ng buong Digiplus para sa iyo.
We're happy to welcome you all today as we celebrate the convergence of sports, technology, and world-class entertainment.
We are fully BSP accredited and use industry standard encryption and active monitoring to safeguard every transactions.
This is a meaningful moment, and I am truly grateful to be here with all of you.
Bringing a new level of convenience and world-class entertainment to millions of Filipinos across the Bigo Plus, Arena Plus, and Game Zone. Thank you and congratulations to everyone who turned this vision into a reality.
Let us continue to uplift one another, to serve with integrity, and to create a positive impact in the lives of many. God bless everyone, and mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Download Manny Pay now using this QR code. Manny Pay, the new e-wallet, can be used for cash in, cash out, and online payments. Also available on Google Play and the Apple App Store.